Welcome to Enhance Hair and Skin Aesthetic Clinic. Awarded with the National Icon Award for the most promising aesthetic clinic of the year for hair care, skin care and hair transplant in 2022, one of the industry's most esteemed award, being presented by Bollywood actor Amisha Patel, telecast in News24 Channel. The clinic, located at the heart of the city Bandra in Mumbai, provides customized, FDA-approved, state-of-the-art aesthetic treatments using innovative international technologies from around the world, combined with personal holistic approach to hair and skin care, provided by a highly dedicated and skilled team of medical professionals who are extremely passionate towards providing the best care to the patients. The award-winning clinic in Bandra is aesthetically designed and reflects the perfect harmony of beauty, elegance, and advanced medicine to cater all the modern age aesthetic skin and hair concerns, and is well equipped with the latest advancements in the field of medical aesthetics and hair restoration. At Enhance Aesthetic Clinic, we feel everyone aspires to be beautiful. Our mission is to provide unparalleled aesthetic results to all our patients, keeping in mind the safety and efficacy of the treatments. Enhance Aesthetic Clinic, with its highly proficient team, has developed very good repute in providing youthful and complete natural looking hairline and dense results with hair restoration with the latest FUE technique, strictly adhering to international IHSRS guidelines. The clinic has very good repute and expertise in facial injectables, Botox, fillers, anti-aging treatments, 7D HIFU, laser hair reduction, modern lasers for different hair and skin concerns, and signature dermafacials. All clinic staff and doctors of Enhance Hair and Skin Aesthetic Clinic are also certified and trained in BLS, ACLS from American Heart Association certified trainer. The clinic has well-equipped state-of-the-art operation theatre and modern lasers for hair reduction and other aesthetic treatments. In a short span, Enhance Aesthetic Clinic has built a loyal, notable client list that boasts Mumbai's top celebrities, including Bollywood and TV actors, supermodels, cricketers, politicians, lawyers, entrepreneurs, professionals, and thousands of happy, glowing faces of people from all walks of life. While the patient list reads like the who's who of elite India, the proficient team at Enhance Clinic strongly believe that each and every patient is a celebrity and are passionate towards providing every patient with the highest quality care and best aesthetic results.